Okay, we're approaching Sale and Cohasset, the center of the explosion that was reported. With police, LAPD, paramedics, and it says explosion. I've heard it was accidental and no one was hurt. We'll see whatever we can see.
Was there? It completely left.
There's bits of garage door here. Well, it's this house here. They're not going to let me in. Apparently there was an explosion, and apparently there's no fire. Apparently no one was hurt. And these, of course, are things I just picked up listening. This is my new assistant. She's a neighbor. She lost a bunch of windows. Oh, your thumb's in the way. There you go. Just like that, you're fine. She's helping me, and I'm going to show you what she pointed out to me. Helpfully pointed. Look at this. This is a fir tree with roof. Looks like someone's roof. And this house looks like the house that was hit, but this is the adjacent house, I believe. This all could be corrected later. But we have quite a mess here. Right, I don't know if I got this before, but she has this. This is broken here as well. And we have lots of neighbors checking it out. Never give little Jimmy a chemistry set. Okay, you're gonna get the news from the news. And those 4 helicopters up there. I'm just gonna show you what it is to be on the scene. But it's just south of Saticoy, I believe. And here's what we got. Saticoy. Just south of Saticoy. That's how I got here, except when I saw the helicopters, I just followed them. Interesting that when I got here, there was no flames, no odor, clean air. Then I thought I smelled some chemicals. It's very likely to diesel from all these trucks. There's an announcer from talk radio. Just another angle. I finally get this house here a bit more. Yeah. Okay.
The kids will be rocks and crying and scared, but yeah, no, none. But I think there's a family inside, so I don't know about how they're doing. I haven't seen anyone ambulances.
So let me see that again. This is a part of the garage or part of the shed that was blown up, and you said how far away was it?
Right there.
In the blue and white house, which is, hate to sweep the camera, but that's a far away bit away. Most of it landed pretty close. From over on the other side, this tree is full of like big chunks of door and stuff. The woman next to it walked me in her house, and her windows are blown out the back.
Yeah, my neighbor here, her windows were blown out. It
Wow.
looks like the most impact with that one, it appears.